Lily, a little girl in a crocheted dress, full of joy. Lily loves to twirl and dance, her dress swirling like a rainbow. But oh no, a gust of wind tries to steal her hat away. With a giggle, she chases after her hat, running like a little rocket. She catches it just in time, her smile shining brighter than the sun. Now, with her hat back, she dances like no one is watching. Lily's day ends with laughter and love, a perfect day indeed.
Look at this adorable girl in her colorful crocheted dress. She twirls around, making her dress dance like a rainbow. With a big smile, she spreads happiness like confetti everywhere. Her laughter is like music, making everyone around her smile. As the sun sets, her smile shines brighter than the stars.
Look at this little girl dance. She's a crochet superstar today. But wait, her crochet top gets caught on a branch. Oh no! With a giggle, she wiggles and shakes, freeing herself with flair. Now, she twirls with even more energy, dancing like a butterfly. Her friends join in, and together they create a crochet dance party. They laugh and spin, making memories that shine brighter than the sun. As the sun sets, they wave goodbye, their hearts full of joy.
Lily, a girl with a crocheted dress and shopping bags. Lily's on a mission to find the perfect gift for her friend. But oh no, the perfect gift is hidden behind a mountain of toys. With a little creativity, she starts digging through the toys. Eureka! She finds a beautiful handmade bracelet sparkling at her. Lily rushes to the checkout, her heart filled with joy and pride. And just like that, she's ready to surprise her friend with love.